Okay, y'all, do y'all think that's enough product? I think that's enough for now. We can always add more. Hey you guys, thanks for clicking on my video. So in today's video, I'm going to be using the Doux Chief Rocka again. So if you haven't seen my previous video when I first used this, go check that video out and you will see my epic fail and the reason why it was an epic fail. So in this video, we're going to be using this again. So let's try this again and hopefully I get the results that I like. And we're going to be doing a twist out in this video. So if there's something you're interested in or want to see, please continue to watch this video. Also, I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. So I can do a giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and help me get to 1,000 subscribers and get monetized. Okay. Your girl ain't got a job now. I'm trying to get monetized. Anyways, so off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo my hair with Ladies First and condition my hair with Supersonic. Both of these products are from the Doux. So off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Also, drop down in the comments and let me know if y'all want to see me actually on camera shampooing and conditioning my hair. Let me know in the comments because in my mind, I think y'all don't want to see that. But just let me know in the comments and then we'll go from there. Also, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Like this video, share this video with your friends, family, or whoever. And also drop down in the comments and let me know what y'all think. And I thank you guys for coming on my last video and watching the video or whatever and liking up the video. I thank you guys for that. I really appreciate it. So let's go ahead and shampoo and condition my hair off camera and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back and I shampooed and conditioned my hair off camera, and then off camera also I went ahead and put my little two ponytails and then I sectioned my hair off so I can apply the mousse right now. So there's nothing on my hair except for right here on my edges. I have some edge control and it's just right here on my edges, y'all. Nowhere else, just like right here. Y'all, this is my favorite edge control right here, my favorite. If y'all looking for some good edge control to slick your hair down, I'm telling y'all, it's this one right here. It doesn't flake. Also, you can like wipe it off with water and then reapply it. Because when I tell you it's not gonna move, it's not gonna move. Especially when you don't have no oil or nothing on your hair, it's not gonna move. Y'all can find this on my Amazon storefront. So check out my Amazon storefront. The link is in the description box below. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna start on the back section with the twist out. So I'm gonna spray my hair with a lot of water. Okay, y'all, do y'all think that's enough product? I can't even see in the back. So I think that's enough for now. We can always add more.
Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh,
Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I'm done twisting my hair. As you can see, I have twisted out my hair, and I think I like my twist. Oh no, I do like my twist, not I think. What I was trying to say is I think the next hairstyle I'm gonna do is like mini twist, because I think this is cute. So anyway, now I'm gonna blow dry my hair with the diffuse attachment. I wish I had one of those hoodie dryers that you can go under and sit under, but baby, I ain't got no job, okay? Aww. And I don't have a job not because I don't want to work, it's because I was let go from a almost 7 years I was there from this job. So that was back in December of last year, 2024. So anyway, times is hard. I ain't got time to be spending, I don't have no type of disposable income, okay? So we're just gonna use this handheld dryer with the diffuse attachment, and one day I will get a hoodie dryer. And also I will have a job if YouTube don't work out. I want YouTube to work out because this is fun. Anyway, if you're still here, please go subscribe. It is free to subscribe. Help your girl out. Get me to 1,000 subscribers. That is my goal for this year, 1,000 subscribers. So please go ahead and subscribe. It's free. Please watch the video. Get my views up or get my watch hours up. Please, you guys, I'm begging you. And like the video. So anyway, let me go ahead and dry my hair with the diffuse attachment. And I'll be back shortly. Okay, yeah, I'm back, and it's the next day, cause life be life, man. So yesterday I blow dried my hair for about 20 minutes, and then I let the rest air dry overnight, and this is how it's looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking these twists down and see if it's giving, see if I like it. So as y'all can see how I'm twisting this, how I'm untwisting this. And I know some people will take this untwist section and it will spread them apart, but I'm going to keep them intact. So that's how I'm untwisting them. So let me show you again. And I hope you guys can see this, Lord Jesus. So I'm untwisting. right? I'm untwisted, right? Some people will take this section and spread them apart. I'm not. I'm gonna keep it intact. Okay. So let me finish the rest off camera. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So I'm back, and I took all the twists down. Hopefully, I took all the twists down. Hopefully. And this is how it look. Here's the back. And and here go the sides. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my pick, and I'm only going to fluff it out at the roots a little bit. Okay, so we can kind of blend a little bit of the parting, and that's it. I'm not gonna take the pick all the way through my hair. I'm just gonna do just right in the roots. Okay. Okay, y'all, so I'm done fluffing out my roots, and this is how it's looking. And remember, I didn't separate the curls, so I'm really liking these type of curls. Okay, see how it's very defined? My curls are very defined. Baby, that wash and go was not it for me. Okay. So I am a twist out girly. So now I'm about to go in and put some edge control around my edges just to like smooth them out and kind of give it a little style or whatever. I don't do baby hairs. I'm not a fan of baby hairs. So if that's what you're looking for over here, this is not the channel for baby hairs on me. But anyway, if you made it this far into the video, please subscribe to my channel. Please, it's free. It doesn't cost you anything to hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell as well so you can be notified when I upload videos. Also, drop down in the comments and let me know your thoughts and opinions, but keep it cute. I want to know your thoughts and opinions about the Doux Chief Rocka, but keep it cute. Also, what style or what's the next style I should do using this? I'm thinking a flat twist out, or should I do mini twists with no added hair? I'm thinking a flat twist because that mini twist is gonna take forever for me to do. And life be life, and I be having things to do. Okay. So I think I'm gonna do a flat twist next week with the Chief Rocka. But as y'all can see, and look at the shine, it's definitely giving shine. Not a lot of volume, I think, because I didn't separate the curls. I didn't say that right. After I did separate the twist, I didn't separate it even more, so that's why I think I don't have a lot of volume, a little bit. But I like how it's curly like this. Look, y'all can see the definition. Anyway, I'm just rambling. Let me put some edge control on and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I added my edge control, and y'all, I like it. What y'all think? Do y'all like it or not? I'm pretty sure somebody gonna be in the comments not liking it, but that's okay. My hair is not for you. But anyway, I'm just playing, y'all. But I like it. And just not over time, over the next couple days, it's gonna probably like fluffing up a little bit more, give it a little bit more volume. But I like it. What y'all think? Let's see how it shakes. Yeah, I think it's cute. Okay. Yes, it's definitely giving shine. My curls are definitely defined. This is the type of curls I like on my hair. So this wasn't an epic fail. This was a epic. What is the opposite of failure? This was an epic achievement. My mind went blank. So instead of it being an epic fail, instead of it being an epic fail, this was an epic achievement. Okay. Anyway, also I noticed that my hair is soft. It's definitely a soft hold. No hardness, no flakiness. But I will come back and let y'all know after a couple of days how my hair is looking, or how if it's did the whole last or whatever. Anyway, so that is it. That is all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope I wasn't talking too long and rambling. But anyways, if you made it this far to the end of the video, please subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload other videos. Until next time, you guys, I see y'all in the next video. Bye.